Hi everyone, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we're showing you guys how to make your own raw chocolate coconut chips.
I know. Nice, tasty treat, healthy, can go on smoothies. I'm excited about it.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see how we make these raw chocolate coconut chips, keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that is how you make our raw cacao coconut chips. These are awesome, like we said, to put on smoothies or just to snack on for a little treat.
Yep, they're delicious. And what's really great about this is that we made this for under $10. This is far more affordable to do it yourself.
Yeah, and they taste
amazing.
Delicious.
And quick, it took us 5 minutes in the oven.
One thing to note, that these can burn easily, so always keep an eye on them.
Yes.
We learned the hard way.
Second batch.
Oh my god. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.